Hello all, it is Steven here at Russ Darrow Metro Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, checking in for Truck Driver Appreciation Week. We have some awesome trucks with the Dodge Ram. That vehicle has been around for quite some time, coming up on 50 years of the Dodge Ram. So we are excited to honor Truck Driver Appreciation Week by offering specials on some of our nicest trucks that we do have in stock right now. This is our 2025 Dodge Ram 1500 tungsten trim level, fully loaded to the T's. The cab is huge. You got your bed back there, has the 12-inch infotainment system, 4-wheel drive, awesome vehicle. It is one of our best trucks that we do offer as well. Behind it, we have our Ram TRX, which is the top of the line Ram truck if you are looking to get a truck. So to honor truck drivers around the world, we will be doing specials on this vehicle. We have some awesome rebates going on both of these vehicles. They are 2025s. So come in as soon as you can and check out one of our Ram trucks and honor all the truck drivers out there by getting yourself into a nice truck yourself. We look forward to seeing you here at Russ Darrow Metro Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where you can get into one of these amazing trucks today. Have a great weekend. This is Steven checking out.